Good afternoon, class 8. So, before starting the topic, there are the names of the students who have submitted their homework well in time. They are Khushnavi, Astha, Anvi, Soumya, Ritika, Raghav, Sanya, Manan, Pratishtha, Prikshit, Gauri, Sana, Anya, Jasmine, Akanksha, Trishi, Srishti Karmania, Sehajpreet then Palak, Pranav Chauhan, Ashmeet Kaur, Harveer, Anshika, Kritika, Asma, Krishna, Divya, Arunav, Ashmeet Kaur, Sudan, Ramneet, Manav, Shaurya, Harshita, Tanupriya and Mansi. So students, I got a common problem from most of you. They are the fifth part and the sixth part of the question. So students, I am doing fifth part of the question. X plus 2y into x minus 2y into x square plus 4y square. I think this question I told you anyhow. So now here, first of all, I will be using identity of a plus b into a minus b in the first two brackets. This is a plus b, this is a minus b. So if we compare, the value of a is x and the value of b is 2y. So that is, equal to a square minus b square. So that is equal to x square minus 2y whole square. And in the other bracket you have x square plus 4y square. So it is x square plus 4y square, that is right. So here it will be x square minus 4y square into x square plus 4y square. Now students, again we will be using the same identity, and what we will be getting, x square whole square minus 4y square whole square. So that is equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 16y raised to the power 4. Now coming to the sixth part. Sixth part of the question is x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square. Very important, very important question. Into x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. First of all, these two brackets we will be using again the identity a plus b into a minus b is your a square minus b square. Here a is your x and b is your 1 upon x. So what do I get, students? I get x square minus 1 by x square into x square plus 1 by x square into x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. अब इसको खोलेंगे, what I'll get, x square minus 1 by x square into x square plus 1 by x square into x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. Now again children, if we see the first two brackets, so same identity is being formed again. So what we are going to do, so that is x square whole square minus 1 by x square whole square in one bracket, and in the other bracket we have x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. So that is equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 1 by x raised to the power 4 into x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. So again same identity of a minus b into a plus b is being formed here. A minus b, a plus b, so that is equal to a square minus b square. So b is 1 by x raised to the power 4, so I get x raised to the power 8 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 8. I hope these are clear now. I move on to question number 3rd. Okay? So let us see how to solve question number 3rd, but before question number 3rd, okay, let's first do question number 3rd, then I'll talk about that. So question number 3rd, 4x square. Express the following as a square of binomials and evaluate for the given value, square of binomials. So it is very clear to you कोई whole square की identity बनने वाली है. So the first one is 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square, and what the values of x and y are given. X is given to be -2 and y is given to be 2. So first of all we'll have to concentrate here. We'll have to think that which identity can be formed. So all are positive, 3 terms है, a plus b whole square की identity बनेगी. Let's convert it. 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square. So you'll write, comparing with the identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Now students, what is the value of a? You are getting 2x, and what is the value of b? You are getting 3y. So that is 2x plus 3y whole square, which can also be written as 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. Alright. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute the values. So what am I going to do? I am going to put x is -2 and y is 2, right? So x is -2 and y is 2, so I get 2 into -2 plus 3 into 2 in one bracket, and in the other bracket 2 into, again 2 into -2 minus, so plus 3 into 2. So 2 into -2 is your -4 plus 6 into -4 plus 6. So -4 plus 6 is nothing but 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Clear students? Now the second part of the same question. Let's do that. So what's there? We have 4 upon 25 m square minus mn plus 25 upon 16 n square, where m is 5 and n is 8. Alright, so now let's convert it. This is 2 upon 25 m whole square minus 2 into 2 upon 25 m into 5 upon 4 n plus 5 upon 4 n whole square. देखो बेटा 2 upon 5 होगा, सॉरी. So यहाँ पे अगर हम इसको ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे, so this 5 and this 5 will cancel, 4 will cancel with 2 into 2. So our question is almost done now. Identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a minus b whole square. So a is nothing but 2 upon 5m. I think it is clear. And b is what? It is 5 upon 4n. Now we will be substituting the values, and what we will be getting? 2 upon 5m minus 5 upon 4n whole square. So that is equal to 2 upon 5m minus 5 upon 4n into 2 upon 5m minus 5 upon 4n. Clear? Now again what we have to do? We have to substitute the values. So what we are going to do? We are going to put m is 5 and n is 8. So we are going to put m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 8, and then let's evaluate the answer. So 2 upon 5m, I say, into 5 minus 5 upon 4 into 8. Again in the next bracket 2 upon 5 into 5 minus 5 upon 4 into 8. Alright. So this 5 and this 5 cancels. This cancels 2. This cancels 2. So that is 2 minus 10 into 2 minus 10. That is minus 8 into minus 8, and the answer comes out to be 64. Fine. The answer is 64. Now coming to question number 4. Beta, this question was also very important. All the questions of brain teasers, as I've earlier also told you, they are very, very important. So now we come to the question. A plus b simplify का question है. Question number 4, first part. Simplify a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Alright. So separately you will be opening up the identities. A square plus 2ab plus b square in one bracket, then plus a square minus 2ab plus b square in the other bracket. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here 2ab and 2ab will cancel out, so I get 2a square plus 2b square, which will be the required answer. So that can also be written as, you can take 2 common, यहाँ तक भी छोड़ सकते हैं बिकॉज सिंप्लीफाई बोला था, आप चाहें तो उसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, इट्स ऑल अप टू यू. सिंप्लीफाई वैसे इट मीन्स अप टिल हियर ओनली. The next one, the second part is 3x plus 7y whole square minus 3x minus 7y whole square. Beta, now this question can be done in 2 ways. ठीक है, मैं आपको दोनों वेज बताने लगी हूँ बिकॉज थर्ड पार्ट आई विल नॉट बी डूइंग. थर्ड पार्ट आप खुद करोगे. ठीक, सो थर्ड पार्ट यू विल बी डूइंग योरसेल्फ. यहाँ मैं आपको बता रही हूँ देयर आर 2 वेज ऑफ डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन. इसको अलग खोल लो, इसको अलग खोल लो, दोनों को माइनस कर दो. वेरी इजी वन. कर लेते हैं. इसको करेंगे 9x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 3x इंटू 7y प्लस 49 y स्क्वायर इन वन ब्रैकेट and minus in the other bracket 9x square minus 2 into 3x into 7y plus 49y square. ठीक है, now so this is 9x square bracket अभी मैं ओपन नहीं कर रही हूँ. 3 2 is 6, 6 7 is 42, so plus 42xy plus 49y square minus 9x square minus 42xy plus 49y square. So now that is equal to 9x square plus 42xy plus 49y square minus 9x square plus 42xy minus 49y square. So minus 9x square and 9x square cancels, minus 49y square and 49y square cancel. What are we left with? We are left with 84xy. Clear? So the third part I've already said that it will be your homework. I'm coming to fourth part of the question. Third part में बेटा you will be using a plus b plus c whole square वाली identity. ठीक है? अच्छा, इसका दूसरा वे भी बता दूँ पहले. इसका दूसरा वे होगा, इट वॉज 3x प्लस 7y होल स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस 7y होल स्क्वायर. सो बेटा इस पूरे को मैं कंसिडर कर लेती हूँ a एंड इस पूरे को मैंने कंसिडर किया b. तो ये है a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इफ यू कैन रिलेट. सो दिस इज a माइनस b इंटू a प्लस b. सो नाउ यू सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. a मीन्स 3x प्लस 7y माइनस 3x माइनस 7y. And in the other bracket I have 3x plus 7y plus 3x minus 7y. So 7y and 7y cancel. Here I get 3x plus 7y minus 3x plus 7y and this is 6x. So here 3x and 3x cancel. So this is 14y into 6x and again the answer is 84xy. So whichever method you find easy you can do by that method. I am coming to fourth part now. So now students, the fourth part of the question, it is a square minus b square whole square. A square minus b square into a square plus b square minus a square minus b square whole square. This is the question. अब इस क्वेश्चन में अगेन इट इज़ योर चॉइस, आप क्या करना चाहते हो। मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ। आई एम टेकिंग ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर कॉमन। जब मैंने कॉमन लिया ये निकल गया, क्या बचा, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, और दूसरी ब्रैकेट में ओनली ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर। इन दिस वे इट बिकम्स ईजी, द स्टेप्स आर लेस। ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर into a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. So here children, a square and a square will cancel out. This is a square minus b square into 2b square, which is the required answer. So you can write the answer as 2b square into a square minus b square. So further you can open the brackets here in the next step. On opening the brackets you will get 2b square into a minus b into a plus b. That is, I have used the identity. Now students, regarding your homework. So for homework, I have already told you question number 4th, third part. This is your homework. Then question number 5, full, all the parts. And then question number 6. No, question number 6 you won't be able to do. Question number 7, because factorization hai, already we have done. Difficult parts I won't give you. So factorization 1st to 5th part. Let it be by 1 p.m. I'm giving you 1 hour extra because the work is quite more. Now let us do question number 6. Question number 6, evaluate x. If first part is 36x is equal to 78 square minus 42 square. Now if I see clearly on the right hand side I have an identity of a square minus b square. So I will say 36x is equal to 78 minus 42 into 78 plus 42. So 36x is equal to, this is 36 into 78 plus 42. When we add we get 120. So x is equal to 36 into 120 upon 36. So this 36 and 36 will cancel out and the value of x will get is 120. Easy. Similarly now let us do second part. Second part beta एक बार आया भी हुआ एग्जाम में, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. 6.2x is equal to 8.1 into 8.1 minus 1.9 into 1.9 if I am not wrong. यही है. So 6.2x is equal to, I write it as 8.1 whole square minus 1.9 whole square. So a square minus b square. 6.2x is equal to 8.1 minus 1.9 into 8.1 plus 1.9. So here 6.2x is equal to 6.2 into 8.1 and 1.9. When I'll add them I'll get 10. So x is equal to 6.2 into 10 upon 6.2. So 6.2 cancels, answer is 10. The value of x I get is 10. Right? Now question number 7, sixth part. Question number 7, sixth part. Again this kind of question is likely to be there in the board exam. 4 into x minus y whole square minus 12 into x minus y plus 9. बेटा अब अगर आप ध्यान से देखें यहाँ x minus y का होल स्क्वायर और यहाँ x minus y है, तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन में हम पुट कर देते हैं. आई एम राइटिंग पुट x minus y होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a. right? X minus y is equal to a. So what do I get? 4a square minus 12a plus 9. Now I try to change it into identity. I get 2a whole square minus 2 into 2a into 3 plus 3 whole square. Now you can easily guess which identity we are forming. A minus b whole square. So that is a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. So a is nothing but 2a in this question and the value of b is 3. So I get 2a minus 3 whole square. So 2a minus 3 whole square, now that will be 2a minus 3 into 2a minus 3. बट बेटा a तो हमारे क्वेश्चन का पार्ट नहीं था, a को तो हम खुद से लेकर आए हैं, तो उस a को हमें हटाना होगा. तो हम रीसब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, जहाँ a है वहाँ a की वैल्यू डालेंगे. a की वैल्यू क्या थी? x माइनस वाई. सो अगर आप a से कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं, आप इसको p q जो मर्जी बना सकते हैं. सो दैट इज 2 इंटू एक्स माइनस वाई माइनस 3 इंटू 2 इंटू एक्स माइनस वाई माइनस 3. So when you open the bracket, you will get 2x minus 2y minus 3 into 2x minus 2y minus 3, which is the required answer. So now I am moving to the next part, that is the seventh part of the question. So seventh part of the question says that x square plus y माइनस एक्स वाई माइनस एक्स. सो अब यहाँ पे टर्म्स को रीअरेंज करना पड़ेगा. मैं फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म को एक साथ ले रही हूँ. सो आई एम राइटिंग एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई माइनस एक्स. ठीक है, यहाँ से मैं एक्स कॉमन लेती हूँ तो बन गया एक्स माइनस वाई. अब यहाँ से भी मुझे एक्स माइनस वन चाहिए, तो मैं माइनस वन कॉमन ले रही हूँ, तब बनेगा एक्स माइनस वाई. अगर हम वन कॉमन लेंगे तो बनेगा y माइनस एक्स, जो कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए. सो x माइनस वाई अगेन आई टेक कॉमन एंड व्हाट आई गेट x माइनस वन. अगर आपको याद हो तो दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव डन इन क्लास 7th, और तब मैंने बोला था कि सेम क्वेश्चन हम क्लास 8th में करेंगे. नाउ 8th पार्ट. द 8th पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज 81 x plus 1 whole square plus 90 into x plus 1 into x plus 2 y plus 2 in plus 25 into y plus 2 whole square. फाइन. अब यहाँ पे भी वही है बेटा, तो यहाँ पे हम पुट कर रहे हैं x plus 1 को मैंने u पुट कर दिया और y plus 2 को मैंने v पुट कर दिया. सो आई एम गेटिंग 81 u square plus 90 uv plus 25 v square. So if I convert it, I get 9u square plus 2 into 9u into 5v plus 5v whole square. So here that is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. So now students, a और b की वैल्यूज को आइडेंटिफाई करना है हमें. बहुत आसान है. a is 9u and b is 5v. So what do I get? 9u plus 5v whole square. That is 9u plus 5v into 9u plus 5v. So that is 9 into u की वैल्यू x plus 1 plus 5 into v की वैल्यू y plus 2. This is in one bracket, and in the other bracket also 9 into x plus 1 प्लस 5 इंटू वाई प्लस 2. अभी क्वेश्चन खत्म नहीं हुआ, इसको ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे. सो ऑन ओपनिंग व्हाट एम आई गेटिंग? 9x प्लस 9 प्लस 5y प्लस 10 इन वन ब्रैकेट एंड सेम इन द अदर ब्रैकेट 9x प्लस 9 प्लस 5y प्लस 10 in the other bracket. Now I'll solve it again, and on solving what do I get? So I get 9x plus 5y plus 19, and in the other bracket also 9x plus 5y plus 19. All right. Now the last question for today, that is the 9th part. the ninth part, the last part of this question is x square plus y square plus z square upon 4 plus 2xy minus yz माइनस जेड एक्स। अब बाकी तो सब कर लेंगे, माइनस की साइन का देखना है कि माइनस का साइन वहाँ आ रहा है जहाँ क्या है, जेड है, मतलब जो ये जेड वाली टर्म है ये नेगेटिव है। तो उसको मैंने कैसे लिखा, एक्स स्क्वायर वाई होल स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस जेड अपॉन 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab होता है तो लिख दो जी 2ab, फिर प्लस 2bc होता है तो प्लस 2b लिखा और c लिखा, प्लस 2a होता है तो 2c लिखा और a लिखा। सो दैट इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स होल स्क्वायर, अब आइडेंटिटी लिख दूँ, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस 2bc प्लस 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So a is nothing but x and b is your y and c is your minus z upon 2. So now what are we going to get? So that is x plus y minus z upon 2 whole square. So that is equal to x minus y, x plus y minus z upon 2 into x plus y minus z upon 2. So that is all for today, students. Tomorrow I hope I'll be able to finish off the chapter because question number 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 single part is there. So most probably we'll be finishing off the chapter tomorrow. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Work complete करेंगे. Bye.